what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can create yourself a MLB account. So for that, head over to your application. Then you will see a page like this. In here, tap on three bar icon. Then scroll below. Here select account settings. Select create MLB account. Now at times this button might not work. So the best thing you could do is launch your browser. So at the top page, type in create MLB account. Select create an account. Now at the section, you're going to have to fill out all these information. I'm going to show you what it will look like, but all you have to do is type in your first name, last name. You have to type in your official email address and make sure that you remember the password of it. Type in your password, confirm your password, and type in your date of birth. Once done, select register. And just like so, as you can see that it is saying welcome Shelly, which is my name, and this is how easily you can create yourself an account. And now you may go ahead, get logged into your account via a web browser or even via an app. Thank you for watching.